What's up guys, welcome back to the video. Today I'm going to show you how to replace this 10 gauge 3-prong dryer cord, because if your dryer cord looks like this, then you need to replace yours ASAP, okay? And if you haven't checked yours in a while, you might want to roll your dryer back out and check it. So anyway guys, if you like this video and this has really helped you out, don't forget to hit that like button for me, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment down in the comment section below so that I can help you fix your stuff, or I'll do my best. So anyway guys, I got this dryer. I just replaced just replaced the brakes on it. I'm just kidding. I just replaced the belt for the drum. I think a drum brakes, I guess. I don't know. But anyway, I just replaced the drum belt on it. So if you need to check out your drum belt in your dryer, check the link down in the comment section below for that video. Or I try to put it up here somewhere. But anyway, when I was pulling it out, notice that well, you could just see for yourself. It's very burnt, it's very corroded, and it's extremely loose. This is all the signs for a fire to happen. So I want you guys to be safe. So if you're watching this video, turn your breaker off to your dryer, pull your dryer out, check your cord. If it looks like this, and you have a 10-3, a 6-foot 3-prong cord, okay, 10 gauge, 30 amp, 3-prong, check this video out, okay? Watch this video. If you got something different, eventually I'm gonna do videos on the other cords and stuff, but you guys need to replace it. If it looks like this, you need to replace it, okay? This was like $25 at my local hardware store. I will put a link if I can down in the description below for this. Okay, but I don't care. If yours looks like this, replace it. I don't care if I get commission or if I don't. Just replace it, because your safety is more important than any amount of money that I could possibly earn from this video. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to open up this panel here with our little 8mm. If you need tools, I'll put them down in the comment section below. Also, I have an appliance dolly that has really helped this scenario out. Obviously, you're going to start with the plug unplugged because you don't want to electrocute yourself, okay? Okay, so first things first, let's just go ahead and loosen the connections here. Notice how they went. They basically just clamp together so they fit in there like this, like these. Try real hard not to to lose these, and remember their position. You know, none of these are wired or labeled. So what we're going to do, we're going to pull these up through. Okay. All right. Ugh. The left one is going to go on the left side. And then put the other two in. just make sure they're all nice and tight, because we don't want to like overly tighten them, but make sure they're tight enough. And they're like that. Which some people say to do it before you put the wires in, but to me, I'm not an electrician, but it seems like if you don't know how much wire you need, it might be easier to do it after. But hey, that's just me. I had to get a bigger screwdriver for that. That's it. It's that simple. Now you just gotta put your cover back on. That's it. There you go, guys. So if you guys want extra awesome tips and tricks and stuff to fix around your house, well, this is the channel for you, because I've got all kinds of awesome stuff. I buy like sometimes the latest and greatest like washing machine. Like I just bought a Samsung washer and dryer all-in-one unit. Absolutely love it. If you want to see my 2 review videos, check those out on my channel. I'll try to put a link down in the description below. I try to buy some of the latest and greatest dishwashers and appliances that use new technology, test those out, and even fix some of those things for you guys. So anyway, if you like this video, don't forget to hit that like button for me. Subscribe to my channel for more awesome content just like this video. So anyway, hope you guys have a blessed day. God bless. Take care. Stay safe. Love you.